guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super cool video. I have with me a huge ass box here. It's insane and it's filled with lots of products. It has beautiful brushes as well as Crease cosmetics. So in case you're wondering what is Youtiful, Youtiful is actually a new range of brushes by Guardian. So they have like hair brushes, makeup brushes. The range is so comprehensive, it's going to be an express friend, and the best thing is they are all color coded. So for example, for the hair brushes, blue right here, it's all for hair brushes. So oh my god, like it's insane. I have so many hair brushes. And then we have look at these are teal brushes. Oh I'm always dropping stuff. Teal brushes, and they are all for the eyes. Today's video I'm going to use all of these beautiful brushes as well as Crease cosmetics. So we have a bag of babies here to create these super fun and beautiful cut crease. So if you're interested to find out how I create this look with this box of goodies, just keep on watching. So we've come to the end of the tutorial. I actually changed up the look, I changed my lipstick, and I removed the glitter because I want something that's more wearable. I'm actually heading out, and yeah, I'm super late, so I'm so sorry. But yeah, this is really fun and versatile. You can play it up and make it super festive, or you can just make it into an everyday look like this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So if you're interested to find out more about Youtiful brushes, I'll link them down below. And yeah, you can also check them out in stores. They're all available as well. And it's super cool. Like, the range is seriously insane.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!